Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's look is inspired by the new Disney Pixar film called Onward. In the film, I haven't seen it yet, but just in the trailers and the posters, there looks like there's a gang called the Pixie Dusters, and they're kind of like a punk fairy group. And I just thought they looked so cool, especially like the main one in this group. So I decided to recreate her in a makeup look. I started off by priming my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade 0, and then I went into the Colourpop Shizzy Rainbow palette and set that primer with the eyeshadow called Worth It. I then used the Kat Von D tattoo liner and created a winged eyeliner. I then went into the Colourpop Smoke Show palette and used the shade called Let's Do This and started to make my eyeliner into a smoky, blended out winged eyeliner. I also brought this down onto my bottom lash line as well. Using the Snazaroo Fuchsia Pink face paint, I started to paint my face, my neck and my chest. To highlight under my eyes and my nose, I used the Snazaroo Clown White face paint. Going back into the Colourpop Shizzy Rainbow palette, I used the shadow called Sandbar and I blend a little bit of this into the crease of my eye. Then using a red Snazaroo face paint, I mixed that up with the Fuchsia Pink Snazaroo face paint that creates this perfect contour colour that I use to contour my face. Going back to that eyeshadow called Sandbar, I start to contour my nose. Using the Snazaroo purple face paint, I fill in my brows. And for highlight, I use the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter in the shade Cloud 9. I then coat my lashes with some mascara, and this mascara is by number 7. I then line my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil, and this pencil is by Lola. As I am a fairy, I wanted to add a little bit of glitter, so I used the Colourpop Sailor Moon collaboration and I used their Glitterally Obsessed glitter in the shade Moonlight Legend. For my lashes, I used the Eldora false lashes in the style B806. On my lips, I start off with the Colourpop Lippie Stix in the shade Bichette. And then I go ahead and apply all my accessories. So I put on my wig that I've styled into a little bit of a mohawk. And then I put on these Pixie kind of elf ears that I got from Amazon that I painted pink and added some earrings to. I then apply some of the MARC Liquid Lip Lacquer by Avon in the shade Pinking About You into the centre of my lips. Lastly, I put on a leather jacket and we are done. This is my Pixie Duster Onward makeup look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like this video, make sure to press the like button. And if you'd like to see more from me, you can hit the subscribe button here on YouTube, and you can also follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at Brooke.Ellis_. They're on the screen right now, as well as being in the description box down below. I do have some discount codes for some makeup brands if you are interested. They're in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!